this is how you can use the quick split tool in Filmora to easily and quickly split your clip with just a simple click. And at the same time, you have the opportunity to preview the frame, so you will know which part of the video that you just splitted. Now, to enable this tool, what you need to do is that you have to click on this icon, this cursor icon, click on it, and it will reveal some menus. You want to click quick split mode, or you can also use the keyboard shortcut C to enable that. I'm going to click on that option, and now I'm going to click on this area, and basically it will clip the video. You'll see that it's very simple. And again, you have the option, or you have the opportunity to see what's going on the frame, so you can accurately split the part of the video. And when you want to go back to the normal selecting mode, then you can always go to this menu again and then enable the select option, or you can use the keyboard key V to enable the select section again. Now, as you can see, I have multiple clips created from a single video clip. So that's how you can use the quick split method in Filmora. If you find this tutorial to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.